Welcome to this comprehensive guide on setting up Google Authenticator. Google Authenticator is a two-factor authentication app that adds an extra layer of security to your online accounts. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of setting up Google Authenticator step by step. First, you need to download and install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. The app is available for both Android and iOS devices. Once installed, open the app and click on the plus icon to start the setup process. Next, you will be asked to scan a QR code or enter a setup key. This QR code or setup key will be provided by the service you want to secure with Google Authenticator, such as your Google account or another online service. Scan the QR code or enter the setup key to link your Google Authenticator app to the service. After scanning the QR code or entering the setup key, the Google Authenticator app will generate a 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds. This code is your one-time password that you will use to complete the two-factor authentication process. To test the setup, go to the service you link to Google Authenticator and try to log in. You will be prompted to enter your username and password as usual. After entering your credentials, you will be asked to enter the 6-digit code generated by the Google Authenticator app. Enter the code and click Submit. If everything is set up correctly, you should be logged in successfully. It is essential to note that you need to have your mobile device with you whenever you want to access the secured service, as you will need to enter the 6-digit code generated by the Google Authenticator app. Best practices for using Google Authenticator include making sure your mobile device is secure, using a screen lock, and keeping your Google Authenticator app up to date. It is also recommended to use Google Authenticator with multiple services to add an extra layer of security to all your online accounts. In conclusion, setting up Google Authenticator is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can add an extra layer of security to your online accounts and protect yourself from unauthorized access. Remember to always keep your mobile device secure and your Google Authenticator app up to date to ensure the best possible security.